About to go down.
Okay. Me and Ernie and me. Ernie and I. I and Ernie. I don't know. However you want to say it. Have these eggs, right?
Real eggs.
Real eggs, not fake eggs. These are the ones that like taste like eggs.
These are the ones.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we had the idea, or actually Ernie had the idea, to break them open at the top.
I don't think it's a good idea, but
I know it's not a good idea.
We're gonna do it.
It's gonna go down.
You want a rock, Casey?
I do want a rock. Thank you. Oh, to crack it. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to see him keep the straightest face as well, so it's also kind of like a competition. You know what Coach Cook says about us keeping competition.
Yeah.
We got to win and win everything. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is not going right. My shell's going to go in.
Okay.
Bro, I already...
Oh, all right.
Bro, I gotta get this out. Look, I got this left on. I spit some out, but I'll make up for it. I'm scared. I'm gonna let them see it. I couldn't eat it. That was not going down. That was not going down. I failed, guys. I lost.
You're a stanky little bitch. Oh my god. I almost threw up. You did throw up, nigga. Damn.
That was not working.
That made me feel uneasy. I hope y'all are happy because I just feel like shit now.
Alright, this video's over. Peace out, guys.
Posse out.